Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b. If we have b times square root of b is equals to b plus square root of b, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to remove these square root signs from both of these two sides. So for this we need little bit substitutions here. So first we will take here y is equals to square root of b. So when we choose y equals square root of b and we substitute it on both of the sides, then it will be written as, so here first we find the value of b, because our given statement has square root of b and b, so we totally convert our variable y into variable b into variable y. For this we take squaring on both of the sides and it will be written as y square is equals to b. So here we substitute both of these two values to the above equation and it will be written as, this is b, the b is equals to y square, this is square root of b equals y, this is b equals to y square plus this is square root of b is equals to y. And further in the next step we need to multiply y square on y, it will be written as y cubed. This is y square plus y lies into the right hand side and we move these two values from right hand side to the left hand side and it will becomes minus y square minus y, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplification, and you see here each of these terms involve y, so it means that y be the common term, so that we will take common y from here and we get the remaining values are, from here we get y square minus, from here we get y, and from here we get minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write y is equals to 0, and the second case is we write y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So here from here we get the value of b, so we back substitute the value of y, and you see here our y is equals to square root of b, so we back substitute this value here and it will becomes square root of b is equals to y. So from here we get the first root of the given equation. For this we need to apply squaring on both of the sides, so these two and square root are gone and we get here b is equals to, this is 0 square and 0 square becomes here 0. This is the first value of b, and from here we need to find all other values of b from this quadratic equation. So this is quadratic equation and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. First method is factorization method, second one is completing square, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here first here we apply the quadratic formula. So for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals 1, b equals minus 1, and c is equals to minus 1, and we state the quadratic formula as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute the values of a, b and c, and we first get the values of y and then we get the values of b. So we have y equals minus b, the value of b is minus 1, this is minus times minus becomes plus 1, plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 1, minus 1 square becomes plus 1, 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Further in the next step we have y is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 1, this is minus times minus becomes plus, 4 times 1 becomes 4, and it is divided by 2 times 1 equals to 2. So from here we get the values of y equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So now we divide this equation into the two cases. So here we write the positive value, it is y equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and in this side we will be right here negative value, it is 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So these are the two values of y, and now here in the next step we use both of these two values and we easily get the values of b. So that for this we first back substitute the value of y, and the value of y in this case is equals to square root of b. So we put it here and it will become square root of b equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and in this case square root of b equals to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so here we substitute the values of y here and we need more simplifications. So here we need to remove this square root sign, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides on both of these two cases. So these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole square. In this case these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here b is equals to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2 and its whole square. And in the next step here we use the nice two algebraic formulas. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, we apply this formula in the numerator of this term, and a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. We apply this nice formula to the numerator of this term. So that for this we apply both of these two formulas to the above equation, and after applying these formulas we write our above equation as this is b is equals to, after applying this here it will becomes 1 square plus square root of 5 square plus 2 times of 1 into square root of 5 divided by, this is 2 square, 2 squares become 4. So here first we need to simplify this term, and we get 1 square becomes 1 plus these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 5 plus 2 times of square root of 5 divided by 4. And here in the same way we first simplify the second case, and here we have b is equals to, we apply the second formula to the numerator term, and it will be written as 1 square plus square root of 5 square minus 2 times of 1 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as b is equals to 1 plus these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 5 minus 2 times of square root of 5 divided by 2. And now here we get b is equals to 1 plus 5 becomes 6 minus 2 times square root of 5 divided by 2. From here we get b is equals to 6 plus 2 times of square root of 5 divided by 4. So this is 4, this is also 4. This is 4 because when you apply this 2 square it will becomes here 4. And in the next step we need here more simplifications, and we get here our final answer. So here we need to break this fraction, and it will becomes b equals to 6 over 4 plus 2 times of square root of 5 over 4, and in this case b equals to 6 over 4 minus 2 times of square root of 5 over 4. So these are cancelled out by each other. 2 times 3 becomes 6, 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we will get here b is equals to 3 over 2 plus, these are 2 times 2 becomes 4, we get square root of 5 over 2. So this is the third root of the given equation, and from here we get b equals 3 over 2 minus square root of 5 over 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and we have b equals to 0 be the 1/3 root of the given equation. So these are the 3 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.